Okay, boys and girls, this is your math instruction for Monday and Tuesday, October 5th and 6th. We have a target today, which is I can count back to subtract. And I'm just going to circle count and back. When we subtract, we need to make sure we're paying really close attention to our subtraction symbol. And it's just this line. It's a takeaway symbol. We use minus or takeaway as other words to mean subtract. But subtract is the word that we use to describe what we're doing. When I add, I bring things together. We've talked a lot about this, but when I subtract, I take things away and I push things away. So I want you to make sure that when we're thinking about subtracting, we push things away, we get rid of some things, and we want to see what's left here. What's left, or what is remained, or what the difference is that's left here. So do it with me. Subtract. We're going to move things away or out of the way. When we count back, things get smaller. So if I had a bag of things and I'm taking things out and putting them away, my bag is going to get, my bag or the things in my bag, the amount that is in my bag is going to get smaller. So I want to show you with the number line. We've been using this strategy. There's so many strategies we use with subtraction. And counting back is one of them. Using a number line is another way to count back. Okay, so we're going to get smaller. I'm going to put an equation or a number sentence up here, and we are going to work it out. Now, we talked this last week about how I don't usually just walk around in life and see a number sentence. I don't look around and find like 6 subtract 4. I just don't see that very often. But things might happen in life that I need to use 6 subtract 4. Like, for instance, let's say that one day into my yard there were 6 horses. I love horses, right? So 6 horses came into my yard, and then 4 of them left. Okay? 4 of them went away. So I had 6. I had a whole group. 6. 4 of them went away, and I want to find out how many are left in my yard. So one way I can do this with a number line is I can start with 6. I'm going to circle 6 and I'm going to start there. I'm going to start right here. Now I don't start counting back 4 when I touch 6. I touch 6 and I say 6, and now I jump. When I land on each spot, then I count 4. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where I landed. How many horses are left in my yard? 2. There are 2. Another way I can do this is I can write 6 circles or something to model 6 items, 6 whatever. In this case, it's 6 horses, right? And I like to do them in a 10 frame because that just helps me every time. It helps my brain out. So if I'm going to take away 4 of them, I'm going to cross out 4. How many do I have left? 2. Okay, those are actually 2 different ways that you can do that. And that is modeling how we count back, counting backwards, getting smaller, moving those away when we subtract. Don't forget, we always have to follow this symbol. Don't get tricked and think that you're adding when you see that. When you subtract, it means it's going away. Today online, I'd like you to go to your iReady Math. I'd like you to work for 10 or 15 minutes on iReady Math. And do the best you can. You want to pass these lessons so you can move on. So do the best you can. Really think and learn and do the best you can to pass those off. Make sure you put that amount of time in, because I look and see how much time you're putting in, and I monitor how you're doing, okay, so that I can move you up or the computer can move you up. That's what I'd like you to do for math. Now on the website, I've included a doubles wrap. And these are some teachers that put together, they're actually 2nd grade teachers, so you guys are getting some, I'm throwing you in the learning pit, okay? You're getting some good stuff. But these are some 2nd grade teachers who put together a wrap for learning our doubles. Remember, when we add doubles, we're adding the same number to the same number, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. Easy, but this is a fun wrap. So will you watch that just for fun after you do your iReady Math and enjoy your math day, okay? For science or social studies today, I would just like you to talk to a family member about things that you agree to do together. That's one of our high frequency words, agree. Actually, it's not a high frequency, it's a vocabulary word. Think about what you agree to do as a family, what you guys agree to do. Maybe you can agree to do something fun tonight or this afternoon, okay? Talk to them about that and come up with a way to agree. Okay, that's a really good skill. Hope you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.